So today is BoxyCharm day, my favorite day of the month. I'm so excited, and I'm going to go ahead and recap last month's box, which is the December 2018 box for you. And if you want to go ahead and skip ahead, no judgments here, go ahead, timestamp right there for you. And let's go ahead and get into the review, and then I will unbox this month's box in a second. Or a few minutes, whatever, stop counting. Well, first, I want to talk about the Tarte glitter lip paint. I actually already decluttered that and gave it to my niece before I even used it on my lips. I knew, or I highly suspected, that I wouldn't want to wear a glitter lip gloss anyway, so I went ahead and I just gave it away because she is a teenager and I'm sure she could rock it way harder than I could ever, so I already gave that one away, so I'm sorry I can't tell you whether or not I liked it. So next is the Bodyography lip liner, and this was in the shade, let's see here, Heatherberry. And I used this a couple of times. I really liked it. It was a nice neutral color, and I was excited about it because it wasn't like the Jante Bleu where it was just really hard and not easy to apply on the lips. So this one was really creamy. I liked it. I felt like it was long lasting under like the lip gloss or lipstick that I used it with. So I was happy with that. Next up we have the Pretty Vulgar, the Powder Room Matte About It Translucent Setting Powder. And I loved the packaging. Who wouldn't? But I also really liked the product inside, and I was super excited about that. I didn't use that crazy pink puff. I actually don't even I don't know where it is, to be quite honest, but what I would do is kind of tap it into the lid and then use like a kabuki brush and set my foundation with it, and I really feel as if it kept me matte all day. So I am excited to have this in my collection, and I will not be decluttering that. Next up we have the Cosmedix Detox Activated Charcoal Mask, and this one I've used a couple of times. I'll go ahead and insert a picture here of me wearing it. Sorry, I know it's scary. I felt like this one left my skin feeling really soft afterwards, and it was really nice. So the directions are to apply a generous amount to clean, damp skin, which I did, and massage into the skin in circular motions. It has like a bluish tint to it, and I think it smelled like green tea. Did anyone else feel that way, or am I just, I don't know, maybe I'm just imagining things. But I thought it was pleasant, and like I said, my skin felt really smooth afterwards. And the exfoliating beads were not too harsh on the skin, I felt like, because I have super sensitive skin. But I also don't think that it took away a ton of dead skin either. So I think it was just a nice, clean feeling mask. Oh boy, I hope that makes sense. But I've only used this about 3 times, so I can't see if there is any long-term, benefits from using this skincare. But I like it, and I think I have maybe 3 or 4 more uses out of this, maybe 3. But very nice product, BoxyCharm. Thank you. Lastly, we have the Suva Beauty Protege palette. And remember, this one was broken, but I, ta-da, repressed it. As you can see there, I repressed the highlighter. I don't think that affected the quality of the, sorry, I'm like glaring. I don't think that affected the quality of the highlighter at all. It's absolutely still beautiful. I will go ahead and insert a picture here of when I used these shades down here. So I used this one as a crease shade. Well, actually I mixed these two as a crease shade, and then I used this on the lid, and then I also used this one to highlight the inner corner as well as highlight on the face, obviously. I thought these were really beautiful, and I also used these in a look because they're really cool toned and these are warm tones, so I kind of separated them that way when I used them, and I thought these were absolutely beautiful. I honestly didn't expect to like this palette as much as I did. As you can see, there is a lot of kickback in the palette because the powders are really soft, but that can also be said of some really popular and really good eyeshadows as well, like the Anastasia Beverly Hills. There's tons of powder kick up, but in turn you also get the fact that they're super blendable because they're so softly pressed. Does that make sense? But I am super excited to keep this in my collection, and I absolutely loved the looks that I got out of them. And I felt like at the end of a really long work day, the shadows hadn't faded whatsoever. So, I mean, what more can you ask of a palette? Am I right? All right, in the moment you've been waiting for, people, I'm going to unbox my January box. So this is the first one of the year, obviously. Yay, here it is in all its glory. I have already cut it open so that you wouldn't see my struggle face, and I will go ahead and see what's inside with you. So let's share this moment together, shall we? All right, so the theme is boxy and chill. Cute, cute. All right, I'll put that there so I don't see what's in it. So at the very top, I see Ofra's long-lasting liquid lipstick in Miami Fever. I love this. It's kind of like a terracotta type color, which I absolutely am a fan of. But I don't know if everyone's gonna love it, but hooray for me. Oh my god, this is beautiful. And it smells really nice. It kind of smells like vanilla. And this is really nice. This is Ofra's new packaging. Look at how cute that is. It says Ofra. And yay. I'm always excited to get any Ofra product, so that makes me happy. I know there were a lot of variations in the box this month, so I was super nervous as to what I might get. So I'm glad that I'm excited about that one. Next up, we have the Billion Dollar Brows Universal Brows. Universal, whatever that means. It's a retractable brow pencil, which I really like because honestly, I don't like sharpening things. And maybe that just makes me lazy, but it's a really nice neutral color, I think. I don't know how well it would work for everyone, but I think that I can make it work for me. So that's really cool. Next up, we have the Briogeo Roscaro Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. And I don't believe this is a full size. It's a 2 ounce size, maybe a deluxe size. Either way, I'm happy to use it. I know we've gotten a lot of Briogeo products in the past BoxyCharms, and I haven't found a Briogeo product that I haven't liked. So I'm super excited to use that. And I don't tend to use leave-in conditioning sprays, but hey, maybe I should. Next up, we have, some Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Masks, and they gave us 2. I know there were some spoilers going out on like Instagram and whatnot, and we didn't know whether we were going to get one of these masks or multiples because they come in 3-packs when you buy them at like Sephora or something. But we got 2, and I think that's pretty fair. I mean, you try it once and you're like, hey, I really like that, and you try it twice and it kind of solidifies the fact that, hey, maybe I should buy some more. So that was clever, BoxyCharm, and I am excited to use those because I think it sounds really hydrating, the fact that it's a luminous dewy skin mask. Everyone's on the dewy skin train. I don't know, I'm an oily girl, so dewy means some different things to me. But anyway, I'm excited to use it nonetheless. I keep saying excited. I'm sorry, y'all, I need to buy a thesaurus or something, but moving on to the last product, we have the Tarte High Performance Naturals Rainforest of the Sea Eyeshadow Palette. So I got this one. Look how cute that packaging is. That is adorable. And these colors are super neutral, but they are still beautiful. There we go, now it's focusing. I really am a fan of Tarte's eyeshadow formulation. I have a few Tarte palettes in my collection. It seems as though there may be 2 matte shades in here, and then the rest are kind of shimmery shades. So we'll see what we can do with that for the next month in review. So that about sums it up, guys. I will go ahead and leave you with that. Next month for BoxyCharm, I will go ahead and review these products that we got in our January box, as well as open the February box. And by the way, it is my birthday month, February, and I am going to not be turning 21. Anywho, I hope you have a great day, and just remember to stay kind and be awesome. And I will leave my BoxyCharm link down below if you want to join, because it is an amazing subscription box. $21 a month, super worth it in my opinion. And I obviously don't receive any money from that link. It's a link that we all get if we subscribe to the box. So go ahead and use it if you feel the urge. And if you feel the urge to subscribe, that would be cool too. Thank you. Have a great day. Stay kind and be awesome. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.